Hello students, myself Mr. Kiran S. Chinchwalkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, and we are starting a new subject, that is workshop practice. This subject for first year, and this subject for different branches like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and electronics engineering. Okay, so now we are starting this subject. Before starting this subject, the subject title is workshop practice, and workshop practice is a basic practical engineering course contained in different branches. The knowledge of basic workshops such as woodworking, fitting, welding, plumbing, sheet metal shop is essential for technician to perform his duties in industries. Okay students, so in this workshop practice we studies the various shops like a carpentry shop, fitting shop, then plumbing, sheet metal, welding. Okay, this knowledge is important for the diploma students. They are which are completing the diploma, they are going to do the job in the industries. So basic knowledge of workshop is essential. Then we studies the course outcome. Course outcome means what? Ki after this studying this subject, you should able to know the how to select different tools and how to select different machineries. This is the first course outcome. After that, after this completing this subject, you should able to know various hand tools and various operation performed in industries. Then how to operate various equipment and machineries you can learn from this subject. Then also you are studies this subject engineer graphics. In engineer graphics you study the how to read the drawing. So after this learning this subject, you should able to know how to read the drawing and how to prepare the drawing. Then next course outcome is maintain workshop related tools and equipment and machineries. These are course outcome. Before starting this subject, we should know the safety rules. We are working in a workshop. You can see this is a workshop for a first year students, and before working in a workshop you should follow the safety precautions and safety practices, because lot of accidents is occurred due to lack of knowledge of safety precautions. Okay, so you should know the safety precautions. Due to lacking of safety awareness, there is a chances of accident. Okay, these accidents will be in a form of temporary and permanent, and is also cause the death also. So safety precautions are very important, and before starting this subject you should know the various safety precautions. So I will explain one by one safety precautions. First safety precautions is when you are coming in a workshop, then actions like running, okay, running in a workshop or tripping others or throwing things which may be distracts other, okay, should not be tolerated. Okay, when you are coming in a workshop, you are not running in a workshop. Do not run in a workshop, and such some people's some students have a tendency to disturb others. Okay, and some students is also tendency to throwing things on the others. So this should not be tolerated. Okay, then second next safety precautions is always have a positive safety attitude all the times and everywhere. Respect safety rules. Okay, when you are coming in a workshop, you should have a positive attitude regarding safety. Okay, you should follow the safety rules. Okay, then always be alert. Okay, and careful while working in the shop. Keep your mind concentrated on your job in hand. As we said that there is a various shop in this workshop. So when you are working in a various shop like a carpentry, then plumbing, fitting, welding, so these are various shop, sheet metal, and we are using various tools. So when we are working on this, when working in this shop, you should follow the safety rules. Okay, and you should be concentrated on your work. Then next is develop healthy and safe working habits. You should follow the safety rules. And then next is always wear tight fitting clothes like apron, coat, then safety shoes while working. No loose shirts or sleeves. Okay, when we come in a workshop, don't use loose clothes. Okay, don't use loose clothes. You should wear apron and safety shoes. Okay, and next is do not wear rings in your fingers. Then do not wear wristwatch while working in a workshop. And in your hand there is a wristwatch or band. This should be not be wear during the working in a workshop. After work is over, keep all your tool, instrument, etc. in the proper place. Okay, as we are taking various experiment, then that time you should use various tools. So after completing your job and completing your the work is given to you, then all tools should be placed at a proper space available in a workshop. Keep the workshop clean and maintain good housekeeping. Students, is very important when you are working in a workshop, so keep good housekeeping. Next, keep safety rule always in mind and follow them everywhere. Okay, all safety rules should be followed. Then these are some important safety rules, and there is other safety rules are: do not spill oil or water on the floor. Okay, then if it happened, wipe it always immediately and report it to the your instructor. Use the tools and machines and instruments in the correct way. Do not handle them roughly. Those instruments you are given to you in the workshop, you should be used properly. Do not keep sharp tools and others heavy material projecting out of the table machines. If they fall on its floor, it may be causes injury. Also, tool may get damaged. Okay, when you are working in a workshop, do not fall your tools on the floor of the workshop. Okay, this may be damage the or causes injury to the students. If you are using tools or machine in a wrong way, it may get damaged, it may harm you. Okay, when you come in a workshop and when you use the various tools, first of all you give the proper instruction, okay, and proper guideline. You should use these tools according to the guideline, and you given various instruction. If you are using machine, first get a complete knowledge and how to start, how to stop, and then only use it. Okay, in workshop you use various machines, and when you are using machines, you have to have proper knowledge of the machine. In workshop, the instructor or lab assistants give you proper knowledge of the machine. Okay, and after you get the proper knowledge and complete knowledge, then use the machine. Then next is, before using any machine, first know where its main switch is located so that you can start and stop the machine immediately. Okay, this is very simple and very general safety precaution, because when you are using any machine, you have to know where is switch and where is the power supply and how to start and stop the machine. Ensure that electric plug switch for the machine is in a good condition. You should observe, okay, you should observe various plug and switches. There should not be any breakage, loose wire connection of wire joint or damaged wire or insulation. Okay, when you are using any machine, you should properly check switches, then wires, there is an insulation or not. Then it by chance any damage occur to a machine or tool, report it immediately. Okay, students, so when you are coming in a workshop, if there is a damage of any part of any tools, okay, or any machinery, you should inform the lab instructor or instructor. Okay, then he will give the solution. So there is very important safety precautions, and these are some safety precautions, general safety precautions there. But when you are working in a workshop, then there will be time to time you give the safety precaution regarding your job. Okay, these are safety precaution, general safety precaution. Okay, then in next video we will discuss the safety precaution according to the shop. Okay, thank you students.